Shenzhen Topsharp Precision Electronics, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the design, research and development, production, market and after-service of innovative small household appliances like rechargeable fan, rechargeable humidifier, electric toothbrush, and sport fan water bottle. Our HandFan brand has been the leader of rechargeable fan. Include around 100 kinds of models which have swept over Japan, Korea, America, Europe, Australia, and so on. Topsharp is covered an area of 3,600 square meters with BSCI, ISO 9001, TUV certifications. We have more than 100 patents in domestic and overseas, including invention, utility models, appearance, and foreign PCT. Most of our products have passed CE, FCC, KC, ROS, and PSE reports. In recent years, our company have introduced a series of advanced equipments, including battery capacity test cabinet, salt spray chamber, wire bending test machine, electro-thermostatic dryer, etc. As the leader of rechargeable fan, we have worked out a complete product quality standard for customers' reference. We are the long-term supplier of Panasonic, Muji in Japan, Lotte-Mart, Coupang in Korea, Home Easy, Homedics in America, LIDL, Hama in Germany, and Airmate, Baseus in China. We also welcome OEM and ODM projects. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.